Hey guys, just ordered a new skid plate for the 400DX and it came today, so I'm going to do a quick video of just the installation of the new swing arm skid plate. I'm going to be taking off the factory plastic and installing this new aluminum one. It's a no-name brand. Got it off of eBay for not much money, so let's get started and get this done. It's a pretty good thing that the four-wheeler is this high. Let's see, the bolts, there's four of them, and they're going to be 12 millimeter. So I already loosened them a little bit before I hit record. So and the new skid plate does come with new bolts, and I'll see if I even need to use the new bolts. Because if I can reuse these ones, I will. So yeah, I'm mostly just trying to get this this four-wheeler ready. I'm supposed to go riding this weekend here, and I really wanted a new skid plate on there before I went out. So I'm glad it came today. For the most part, it doesn't look too bad under here. I mean, no crazy gouges. There is some wear on this plastic skid plate, but that's really should be expected. Get that off. And, here's the new one. Nice and shiny. Looks like it's going to work quite well. I'm just going to add some medium thread locker to the threads because I don't want it coming loose. So I'm just going to reuse the factory bolts that they provide. There. Doesn't really need much. I don't know if you noticed on the first bolt I kind of put too much in there. But like I said, it's only medium, so it won't matter that much. Use a 12 millimeter. Kind of wish I had some air tools, but I don't. It's alright. This won't take very long at all. So yeah, I did order a new headlight for this bike. A new front cover, a new hood, whatever you want to call it. And let's see, I got a winch mount for the front of it. I haven't ordered the winch yet for it. That'll happen soon. This way, with the thread locker, this thing won't vibrate loose either. You know, under engine vibration or just from the bumps and vibrations that come from a trail or even from just the chain, drag chain. And, one more bolt. That's plenty. This bolt looks like it might need to. Looks like it's a little far in there, but yeah. There it goes. Doesn't need to be too crazy because I got the thread locker on there, and plus this is all aluminum, so there. Cover up our thread locker, and that's that. What do you think? Nice solid aluminum. I'll grab the camera here and I'll show you the view from the back. But ground clearance isn't terrible. I don't know, that's not super good, but what can you do for a solid axle sport quad? But yeah, there's my what, $60 eBay aluminum swing arm skid plate. Here, grab it. So, yeah, it's about that thick, and it's kind of cool because it has the little plastic resin chain slider there that came with it too. That was another reason why I wanted it. So it's not too bad. There's some clearance if I want to ever go to a bigger rear sprocket, and of course there's clearance there if the camera will zoom in for the rear disc. But yeah, not too bad. I'm happy with it. It was dirt cheap compared to some of the other options, and much better than that one, that's for sure. So yep, rear swing arm skid plate on the 400DX. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.